Everybody. So the market today is a bit low on volume. We got just one stock on our watch list. We see that the market is not reacting because we have a long weekend, and I see that the market maker is not buying heavily before the market close. So we got Ibio. We're jumping over 110%. Top gainer for today with the volume worth 8 million. So this is the top watch list for today. The other one is pretty cheap, and the other one pretty cheap, and the other one is in the first place, I think, MULN 28%. So let's check this one out. Yeah, I don't like the chart. It's really bad if you want to ask me right now. Yeah, we have a test for the $1.12. Yeah, we got test for this resistance, but the price went down after that. Now it's 61, so it's heavily shorted even before the market opened. So of course we got one stock to watch, and SRNE for continuation for yesterday game plan. Already did chart analysis for SRNE yesterday. The price is still holding. MAT pumping pre-market almost 10%, so we watching for MAT potential trade as well. If we go in AMC is still holding, looking good, 2% up. Ape is still holding above the support. Tesla going down almost 1%, but still in the big picture we are in still bullish momentum. MULN 6% up pre-market. Okay, yesterday 15% down. Welcome everybody, welcome everybody. Yes, Jim, we have to be relaxed. We have to be relaxed with the market. No emotion, man. No emotion. This is the most important thing. If you have emotion, if you're too happy, if you're too sad, you're not never be good with money. You have to be neutral. If you gain money, whatever. If you lose money, whatever. It's a game, a big game. A lot of people play. So we have to be extremely vigilant with our emotion. GMPL, a lot of people talk about GMPL. Let's see, yesterday 13%, pre-market 18%. We got earnings, so the price, this is kind of tricky trade for this stock. We have a pump yesterday around the 8 cents. Price went until the 10 cents, and now we watching for a test for 11 cents. GMPL. Let's check GMPL pre-market volume. GM. I don't know why I can't find the ticker here. Anyway, I could just go on now Binance and check over there. GMPL. Yeah, 19%. Now 19%. 19%. Around the 0.096. So the 96, yeah, right now is around the 96. Even we can see it here. Okay, so 96, we have a wick and the price went down. Support is clear around the 8, resistant around the 11. Let's see how much we missing from this jump. We're missing 17%. Interesting. We have 4 red candle forming for this one. So we might have buying pressure when the market open and reversal like this. If we held this critical area above the 8, this is really important. We don't want to have any price plunge below the 8 is mean a weakness and a sell-off. If we held here, we're gonna have a reversal for GMPL. Yesterday, 66 million worth of volume. We need a reversal. Breakout zone 11. We might see the 16 cent. We might see the 16 cent for this stock. We have to be ready. We have to be ready and willing. 1180 for the breakout and 87 for the support. Okay, GMPL. Let me just take it from here and you put it on Jesus watch list. GMPL. Trading on the Nasdaq. MAT looking good. SRNE still holding our support. We might see a price going down. If we don't hold right now around this level, we might see a continuation for SRNE toward the 21 support, which is the strongest one now. If we have a double bottom, would be still good for continuation up. So even if we dipped for SRNE around this level, still there is a potential continuation and going toward the 30 cent and beyond. Because yesterday we did 56%, so many people taking profit. Now 7% down. Welcome, welcome everybody. So we have some news about gaming company buyout. Good. This kind of news is really important for any stock to have a huge push and volume, you know. So it's good. Umar as said HPLZ is pumping. I don't know about that. If it's pumping now. Yesterday we went 4% and now 3%. No, it's not pumping. It's not pumping at all. This is not a pump. This is the pump for GMPL. 19%. Metaswave, you have a really good name actually, fit your name. So your trading strategy fit your name because you swipe between stocks. You take profit from SRNE and now you swipe it to GMPL. Good man, good. Good hunting. BBBY, we got many questions regarding BBBY. If we got dilution, BBBY, let's check BBBY and see what's going on. 49 million yesterday, 6% down, around the $1.80. We're still holding. We're still holding the current support. Oh man, this is really dicey now. It's really dicey for BBBY. If we dipped today, we're gonna have a huge sell-off, man. This is it. If we just dipped, we're gonna go toward the $1.48. This is bad. I don't like this because you see what's happened for BBBY. We have a hold up right above our support. You see here twice, and today we should hold to have a reversal and breaking the $2.12. Otherwise, I don't like what's gonna happen because we're gonna have a dip after we clear the $1.78. A dip is almost 16%. So watch out for this dip. Watch out for this dip. The short will come in and short even more shares of BBY. Watch out for the break for the $1.78. We're still holding. So as long as we hold is good. Otherwise, we're going to have a sell-off. You see what's happening here? This is crazy chart. What happened here is a crazy. This is really crazy. The price is still didn't break our level of ascending channel. So I'm watching for a break or hold up. This is it. BBY chart looking interesting. BBY chart looking interesting. Good morning, good evening, everybody, wherever you are. We are watching live streaming together at the same time. Just remember that live streaming is a bit delayed. I think it's just a few seconds, over 30 seconds or 1 minute. So be careful. What's going on with the other stock? We got Tesla, as we said, going down from the resistance. We got Nvidia got rejected, double top around the 230, but we're still holding above this current support, so it's still in big picture bullish. NEO is still accumulating this box between the 14 and the 9, so this is undecision phase. We will not continue to go down as long as we hold above the 9, and we're not going anywhere if the price is still below the 14.23. The other hand, we got Shopify. Shopify got a huge sell-off. Yeah, we got a huge sell-off last time, but there's always a but. 22%. The price is still holding the 43. This is really a critical area for Shopify to hold. If we held, we're gonna have a buyback here and a reversal and continue to go higher, because the last earning for Shopify was pretty nice. Look, around the 15th of February, 2 days ago, after hours, Wednesday, we got 600% suppress regarding earnings and 5% suppress regarding revenue. So it's not bad. It's not bad. After the reverse split that we did here, or split 10-1, we did split last year in June. So yeah, after the split, we accumulated huge market maker bot and the price reverse to bullish momentum. So we have to watch out for the 44. We're looking good now for a potential reversal. So yeah, looking good. You see this trend going back down here. Then we have testing, then a breakout. So this area should hold for Shopify. Shopify looking good toward the 73 next time if we hold the current support. This is a swing trade, guys. This is a swing trade, not day trade. Will take time. Will take time. Either way, even we broke this critical level, which is here, we don't have to break it. As long as we hold this circle, game on. If we broke it, the 30 should be a reversal area and averaging down. If you want to hold this one for a long or you invest, I would prefer to buy around the 30 if we broke this level. Otherwise, I will buy right now if we hold. Would be a really great swing trade for Shopify. Yeah, we might see 60%. This will take a few months, maybe. Yeah, a few months. So it depends on the volatility, of course. So the 73 should be the next level. A, B, and B looking still good and strong, holding the current support. So 155, the current target. So SoFi, I'm watching. UBST or Upstart, looking kind of, I don't know, like this chart I don't like right now because we got rejected around the 26. So the 26 will be a turning point. Now is I don't like the dip. This is a huge dip here, man. between the 25 and the 15. So I don't trust it. I don't trust this one. Starbucks looking good. Starbucks looking really good. Nike as well looking good. Meta looking pretty nice. But now overextended. We need to have a reversal around the $1.40. So we have many blue chip company we watching for a continuation. For this year, we might see a bullish market for a lot of blue chip company because the SPY is looking interesting. Good morning from Montana. Good morning, brother. Hopefully it's sunny over there. Here is cloudy. It's cloudy. There's no sun for 2 days. I miss the sun, brother. I miss the sun. Yeah. Oh, we got someone from Germany. Where? Daniel, are you from south of Germany or Berlin or where? Or Dresden? I like Dresden. This is, I think, on west side of Germany. Wherever you are, welcome, brother. Wherever you are, welcome. Goed morgen. As the Dutch people said, goed morgen. Goed. Everything good. Okay. Okay, so we watching GMPL. We got some news. Buyout. We got some news. I like news. News is mean volatility. News is mean blood for the stock. News is mean market maker and trader watching the stock. You see what's happened? As we said, GMPL, we need to hold above this area, and we have a reversal. Now we have a reversal before the market open. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have alert just in case around the 0.94. Yeah, we might see a big pump when the market open toward the 11. This would be a profit taken as well as squeeze area. 1180, yeah, 1180 should be squeeze. Now 24% GMPL toward the 11. We have a target 16. Let me just check how much we do from here. 36%. Oh boy, 36% is a really big one, but we might even see over that. Let me just add another profit taken realistic one. After this jump, we might see a huge rejection there around the 13. So yeah, we have to be strategic right now. The 1346 should be the first profit taken. Yeah, then we got the 17, 1340, 17. Okay, perfect. And the support is clear around the 8. Yeah, we got support. We have two support actually. Let me just show you. We have two support. This one would be really good if we held. If we held the 94 is mean a clear squeeze for this stock toward the 11. And let me just check how much we can do from there. 18% and this 5%. So let's see if we could hold the 0.44 when the market open. This would be great reaction. Great reaction. Let me just check. Yeah, the price going down to test this level again, the 0.94. Hopefully we'll hold this level. I prefer holding this level to have a confirmation. Otherwise we're gonna have price going down to test this support around the 8.72. Okay, boom. Let's see. Yeah, selling pressure opened again. MAT getting rejected near the resistance. SRNE. Let's see if we're holding the support. Yeah, we holding. Interesting. We kind of have a bounce right now. Let me just put this here. Let's check if we could hold Ibio. This one have some kind of news. That's why it's jumping almost 100% or over 100%. We watching this one. This is the top stock we watching. After that, GMPL. After that, SRNE. Maybe BBBY for shorting opportunity. BBY for shorting opportunity if we don't clear the $1.86. Yeah, we might see a huge short open until the $1.48. So this should be the reversal area. Another 16% for BBY. Yeah, 16% down. Huge selling pressure. Be careful everybody. How everybody doing? How everybody doing? Let's see. We have GMPL. We got not many stocks. MAT. Yeah, MAT might be a trade for us for today as well. Potential trade. But be careful, MAT is heavily shorted, guys. In the big picture, look with me. MAT has been shorted big time from the 2 until right now below the $1. We got 2 bad earnings and we have another earning coming up after 27 days. I don't like the chart. You see here, big picture, a huge bull market, then a huge short market. There's no consolidation, no consolidation. Boom, pump, then the price dump down. So we have to be strategic, okay? We have to enter and exit because we're still in bearish momentum down. However, in a smaller picture right now, there's a potential squeeze and pump from this level. But there's always a but. We have to watch out for 3 stocks that have potential, like the market maker will buy them, or they already bought them in pre-market, because this one 115%. GMPL is 25% and reverse from our support, as we said, 94.70. You see here, looking good. GMPL looking good. We have some kind of news. Yeah. We have really good news regarding the stock. Okay, and SRNE bouncing back from the bottom. Potential squeeze as well. So Ibio, GMPL, and SRNE for the watch list for today. But Ibio, I'm not buying right now because kind of indecision here between the 2 and the $1.45. So GMPL looking better. GMPL looking better. Better trade. GMPL looking really great. Okay, we got almost just 3 minutes left for the opening bell. Watch out, everybody. The market is about to open. Before we start our live streaming, just remember that the live streaming is a bit delayed and day trading is risky, so do your due diligence. Never follow me blindly. This is really important to know in trading, okay? And as we said, we always do live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. If you came a bit late for today, you can rewatch our video later on, will be uploaded, and you can see everything on our YouTube channel. At the time being, let's even this out, guys. We have almost 100 people watching, but just 27 likes. Come on, let's even this out. Even if you don't like the live streaming, just hit dislike. Do whatever you like, okay? If you don't like, just dislike. If you like, just like. And this is really important because we'll show the YouTube algorithm that like our live streaming actually bring value, and will actually make it easier for other traders to see our live stream, okay? I don't want like for me, but this is really good for you guys and for the other people who never actually saw our live stream, our video, because we'll help them a lot. That's why we do our live streaming, to help other traders to at least never losing money. This is why we're here. And okay, so we got 1 minute left. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's be ready and think about green day. Today we should be a green day for all of us. And first off, we have to be strategic. Enter with the market maker, exit before the short seller will come. So we're watching GMPL. GMPL looking interesting. SRNE, GMPL have a bit of selling pressure right now. Ibio not, AMD going down, I think. Okay, BBBY is pumping from the bottom. This is good. It's holding perfectly. Let me just put this here. It held perfectly the support. Let's see. GMPL is shorted, but it's still holding the support. As we said, the 94 should be holding a huge selling pressure. BBY, oh man, BBY is pumping. BBY doing really good now. BBY doing good. Let's see if we have a reversal now from this bottom. Is this a real buying pressure or a fake one? Because we have a test right now. We might see a rejection at the moment around the $1.86 and then dive down. What's gonna be? GMPL still holding the support. If we have a reversal right now, it would be really good. The bottom should be the 8.7. Now the 9.4 should be the reversal area. You know what I'm gonna do? I will put this here. Yeah, we broke. Not good now. For GMPL, not good. Not good now. We might see a price continuation until the 8.7. Okay, I will put this here. I'll forget about it right now. And see BBY. BBY is getting rejected. And let me just put another alert for BBY. We might see a trade. Let's see if we can go there. SRNE is going down, I think. Yeah, SRNE is going down toward the 21. So the market is reacting down. We have a huge short open. We have a huge short open for many stocks. So Ibio going down, but is still holding the support. SRNE is not ready. MAT, holy moly. We got huge rejection. As we said, the 81 is the breakout or a rejection. So we got rejected. So it's not good. I will take it from the list. BBY, a huge rejection as well. A huge wick around our AMA. So it's not good. We need to clear this to confirm a breakout around the $1.89. This area. This will be a great confirmation for a continuation toward the $2.12. And we're still holding the last bottom for BBY, for my opinion. The last bottom for BBY, the 1.78. GMPL, let me just check. Oh man, a huge wick down. A huge wick down toward the 94. But we bought back pretty quick. Let me just go. Yeah, we bought back very quick. So there's no 5-minute candle closing below. We might see a continuation up now. Oh man, we might see a reversal. Someone bought heavily here. Let's see if we got reversal over the 10 cent. Now it's below the 10 cent, around the 9 cent. Let's see the 10 cent. BBY, SRNE, Ibio. Okay, most of them are shorted. So be extremely careful, guys. The market is reacting down. Oh man, yeah, thank you for remind me. I have to drink my holy water. ABT. Okay, the market reacting, guys. The market is reacting down. Watch out. The short are in control right now. The market is reacting for many stocks that pumping pre-market now is dumping down. We have Ibio is pumping over 100% right now, below the 100%. SRNE was pre-market pumping and now is 12% down. I don't like this. It was 7% down. And BBY is still holding the important support, the $1.78. GMPL dumping down. So BBY looking better. BBY still holding. BBY looking really good. Let me just check the other stock. We might have AMC. Oh, AMC looking really nice. AMC looking really nice now. So we got AMC, we got Ape, Tesla, all of them are green. MULN, green. Let's check AMC. AMC looking good. A new high for today. We have a new high for today. We have to test the $5.60 as a resistance and breakout zone. So we have a huge test here for AMC continuation between the $5.60 and the $5.80. This is a huge rejection area. Like what happened here, when the price go up here, we have a rejection and the price go down. I'm not meaning a rejection and a sell-off, but a rejection is meaning profit taken, the price go down a bit, finding support and continue to go down, to continue to go up. But this is a testing area. Just watch out, okay? So AMC looking good. We held the $5, we pumped, and now we're pumping once more. Abe is still holding, but it's not clear yet. It's not like AMC. The $2.78 is the area that we have to confirm to break from. Tesla looking good. As we said, we might have a hold up for Tesla. BBY is breaking. BBY is breaking. So this is the support that we should hold for Tesla for today to confirm a reversal and breaking the 216. Let me just bring BBY here and check what's going on with BBY. 5% up. Okay, BBY is not joking. BBY is not joking around. Is about to pump. BBY is not joking, guys. Okay. BBY is holding a current support, the $1.78. If we held it, we're gonna have a continuation up. What's gonna be? What's gonna be for BBY? $1.87. Are we gonna have the $2.12 and squeeze? Because we held perfectly above the $1.78. As long as we hold this support, BBY is clear to pump until at least the $2.12. As long as we hold this current support, BBY is clear to reverse. This is it. What's gonna be? This is it. We have almost 2 million worth of volume for BBY. Now it's pumping toward the $2.12. The $2.12 should be a breakout zone and squeeze area. Okay, AMC getting rejected near this level of resistance, of course. BBY $1.88. Still, let me just check how much volume we got on this 5-minute candle. 35. The second one 75. Oh, the volume is picking up. This is really good indication for strength. So yeah, 75, 35. We need 100K and beyond. Now it's 2 million. We need at least 10 million and beyond to go toward the $2.12, man, and then the $2.30. After we cleared the $2.12. So good reaction. Last day or yesterday we got barcode and you see low volume, no action. Now we have action. For BBY. 5% up around the $1.89. Okay, BBY looking good. Let me just check the other stock. SRNE, GMPL, Ibio. Okay, Ibio is still holding the $1.45, which is the current support. BBBY is still pumping. Let's see what's gonna happen for BBBY. Okay, BBBY is still holding 2,000,011, 2,000,012. Oh man, the volume is picking up just by the second. Volume is picking up, $1.90, looking good. BBBY looking good. Let's see the $2.12. This is it, guys. The $2.12 will confirm a reversal and a huge squeeze. The $2.12, this is it. We have a test around this circle. You see here, we got rejected. Now we need to break this level. As we said, the bottom should be the $1.78. No price go below again. Any price getting rejected and going down here, SL off. If we held, game on. Okay, game on. This is it. This is it. We don't want to have any price go below now to confirm this strength. To confirm the strength for today. Let's see. You know what? Usually when we have this kind of reversal, like we could have actually saw the $2 to confirm this strength. I don't like the stagnating here, you know, I don't like it. It's mean, you know what it mean now? It mean there's someone selling heavily BBBY. I don't like this. It should be like green. It's mean FOMO, a lot of people buying. Yeah, this is what I like. We need like $2 right now without rejection. This is mean someone buying, and whatever selling pressure or someone selling, there's someone buying. This is indication for strength and confirmation that the people seeing a discounted price for BBBY. Otherwise, is mean a weakness. Now we have to go toward the $2 without rejection. I'm just saying, this is it. We should have no 5-minute candle pullback. Now no 5-minute pullback because we have 1, 2, 3 5-minute green candle. This is good. This means strength. We don't have to have a red candle right now. It's not time to have red candle. Now it's red, but we have 4 minutes left for this to close. 4 minutes. We need to have a green to go toward the $2 at least. Ibio still watching. Already bought alert, so don't worry, guys. Those stocks that we watch in pre-market, like Ibio, got shorted, so we watch in BBBY instead. SRNE, I bought alert as well. We're not ready yet. GMPL, we're not ready yet. Yeah, we're not ready yet. I think we're gonna go toward the 87 before we actually go toward the 11. But now the volume is going toward the BBBY. Yeah, 2,000,038. Yeah, every minute we have volume picking up. $1.93. Let's see, $1.94. Let's go toward the $2.12, guys. $2.12. Oh man, BBBY is about to squeeze now. BBBY, yes, $2. We're gonna see the $2 right now. $2.12. We need the $2.12 for a squeeze. BBBY $2.12 for the squeeze. I'm just saying, guys, this is pretty clear. The short is here, this area where the short have to cover here. Okay, below is still, we're not clear yet. The $2.12 where the short have to cover, and we're gonna have a real reaction. A real reaction is there. Because last time we got shorted, we shorted heavily, but the price held perfectly above this support. So BBBY is on the move because the short are afraid now. There is something about to happen, man. This Friday, I think this will be crazy for BBBY. Now we up almost 11%. This is nothing for BBBY. 11% is nothing. We have to see 50 or 100% at least. Let's see. We have to break the $2.12 first. Now it's not on. It's not on. 11% is nothing. 11% is nothing for BBBY. It's nothing. It's like 0.2 12% or 11%. 0.11% for Tesla or blue chip company. Okay, just put this in your mind. For BBY is, you see it 11% now or 8%, is not 8%, it's 0.8%. Is nothing. As we said, is not strong enough. You see, we have a huge selling pressure before even the $2.12. So the short is still strong. You see what's happened here? We need to break this area, man. Still, GMPL hit our scan. GMPL, what's happening? Testing our support, and we have a wick. GMPL is testing our support. Ibio, a weakness, price testing our support. I don't like this. BBY, a huge wick, but it's still gaining some ground because we tested the $2 psychological level. You see here, $2, and the price got rejected around the $2. So now we have to be strategic. $2 is a weakness. We saw a bit of weakness. Price went down heavily for BBY. What's gonna be? $2.12. Are we gonna have a breakout? GMPL got bought back perfectly. Let's see a hold up again around this level. $1.97, $1.98. Let's see retake for the $2. Yeah, we have to clear the $2 right now. $2, we have to clear the $2. It's good that we don't have a 5 red candle. Still, we don't have a 5-minute pullback. Are we gonna have it now? Is not good. If we have it right now, is not good. We don't have to have any 5-minute red candle to confirm a breakout around the $2.12. Now we have a weakness before the $2. I don't like this. So we need to break the $2 right now, man. This 5-minute candle should break the 2 minutes or the $2. Now $1.96, we're still holding. There's selling pressure from above. That's why we didn't actually go toward the $2. Yeah, $1.94, price going down. AI, what's going on with AI? AI still continue to go down. Okay, 5% down. We have an important support to hold right now around the 2280. 2280 for AI to hold. 22, let's say 70, otherwise I don't like it. BBY $1.95. SRNE still holding. So SRNE looking better than BBY, better than Ibio. There's a potential squeeze for SRNE. I'm watching closely around the 2660. I'm watching closely SRNE for potential squeeze and BBY for a potential break from this area, man. You see here a huge selling pressure here. This is it here, the squeeze. Otherwise, we're gonna have a selling pressure once again. But I like this 15-minute green candle, really good. Huge volume on this one. Yeah, 200K. Someone bought heavily around this candle. Hopefully, it's not like day traders or retail trader. You know, we want a big whale buying. You know, because this is will confirm the breakout around the $2.12. This is a weakness. We have 2 minutes, man. 2 minutes left to make this red candle green. If we saw this red, I don't like it. If we saw this red, I don't like it. This means we're gonna go to red. Now is green. We might see red. I don't like it. Better reaction closing this 5-minute candle in green. Now is red. We have 2 minutes left for this one to close in green to confirm someone bought the dip. Okay, let's see. Continuation down. Yeah, we're still not ready, guys. We're still not ready. $2.12. Yeah, $2.12. Is it? This is it. $2.12. One minute left for this 5-minute candle to close. Green now is red, really big red. If we go in 1 minute, in 1 minute is not looking good. 1 minute chart is looking really bad. Looking big sell off. Let's see a bounce right now. We have to see a bounce right now around the $1.86. Yeah. Now we have to see a bounce. Otherwise is dicey. $1.85. We have to have a hold up right now. Here we have to hold. We need a reversal. We need a huge wick. What's gonna be? What's gonna be now? 3%. Yeah, really tight, brother, really tight. We have to have a push now. We have to have a push. Okay. What happened? Yeah, GMPL, game over, I think. Oh man. This is it. We need to hold. We need to hold. Yeah, we need to hold. We have to reverse at the moment. We have to reverse. This is it. We need to have a new high. Retest for the $2. Let's bring the holy water. Let's bring the holy water for this trade. $1.89, $1.89. $1.90. Yes, let's go. We need to hold. This is it. We have to see the $2. We have to see the $2 once again to break the $2, the psychological level where we got rejected. $1.91. Give me $1.91. Yeah, $1.91 now. Let's see. I'm not convinced yet. I need the $2. I need the $2 after this reversal. As we said, we need to hold this level. This is it. We need to confirm the pull strength. $1.92. Good. $1.92. Yeah, we got so many people trust BBBY, never trust BBBY anymore, and say this is a fake pump. We're gonna confirm is a fake pump or not if we actually broke this level right now that we hold above it, $1.85. And the $2.12, as we said, is the confirmation for the pump. So now we're not confirmed yet. This is just reacting. The market reacting because we have a test from this bottom, the $1.78. So this is normal to have this reaction. But the most important question to ask, who bought this dip? If the retail trader buying the dip is not good because the short is more stronger than retail trader. They short the BBY with billions, millions of dollars. It's not thousands. So that's why we have a struggle to even overcome the $2, man. Even the $2 is really hard to overcome. So as we said, it's good reaction that we held the $1.78. Not good reaction that we got rejected below the $2. When we tested the $2, we got rejected. We didn't even reject around the $2.12. This means the short open another position around the 2. So they add more position to short BBY. You see? So this is what happened right now for BBY. Okay, SRNE looking better, and Ibio looking really good. Okay, we have Ibio and SRNE looking really good. Okay, Ibio looking really interesting because we held perfectly above the $1.45. Ibio looking really good. Ibio and SRNE. SRNE looking for a retake for the squeeze area. The squeeze area, the 26.67. BBY is still holding the $1.85 as we said. Breakout zone is the $2.12. SRNE and Ibio looking, both of them really juicy. Ibio looking really juicy. So Ibio, we might see a huge pump. Let's see. Ibio looking really interesting for a retake for the $2. We might see a huge bump for this one. And SRNE, I'm watching both of them. Both of them looking interesting. We already did how much here? 20%. Crazy pump from the bottom. Yeah, both of them reverse really nicely. Are we gonna have a continuation for Ibio? Yeah, $1.77. Let's see a continuation towards the $2 and beyond. $1.77. Okay, got shorted once again. GMPL, let me just take it. I'm watching three stock BBY for a hold up and a retake for the $2.12. SRNE for a potential squeeze from the 26.67, and Ibio to break the squeeze area toward the $2. We already held perfectly above our supports. We did 20% from this reversal. Now we need another pump toward the $2. Are we gonna have it? This is it. We might see another pump from here, 25%. Yeah, this stock is doable. We might see this reaction. $1.75, $1.76. This one mean business, $1.77. Let's see another pump toward the $2. Yeah, $1.79. Let me put alert here. $1.80, 81. Okay, looking good, this one. $1.83. Yes, 83. 82. Yeah, BBY breaking this level is really weak, man. This is a weakness. We tested the $2.01, but we didn't hold the support above the $1.85. Now we're going back to the bottom, the $1.78. Man, this is really a huge weakness. I don't like it. Even though the volume is picking up, but I think the volume is most of it is short. Ibio, on the other hand, looking decent. We'll see if we break the 2. After the 2 would be a squeeze once again for the stock. SRNE is still holding really good. We might see a squeeze for SRNE. Wow, SRNE looking good. SRNE looking really good. And Ibio looking bad now. Let's see a hold up. We need a hold up on a reversal around the $1.65. Yeah, we need the hold up here to confirm a strength. Let's see. We need to hold to confirm this pump. SRNE still, BBY is going down. So we're watching SRNE and Ibio. Okay, Ibio 133%. We might see a 200% stock if we hold the current support. The $2 is the squeeze and potential another pump for the stock. Now we have a bit of struggle. Yeah, SRNE is still holding near the breakout zone. Okay, I'm watching for a pullback for this one around the $1.60. Okay, $1.67. Pullback here is still good around the $1.58. Then continuation higher would be really good. We need to be patient. Easy said than done, man. Easy said than done. Easy said than done, I know. Sometimes I break my own rule, you know? Yeah, the short is still shorting. The short is still shorting. We need to have a pullback around the $1.60, now 67. Still holding. A bit of hold up means someone is still selling Ibio. Still selling around the $1.78. Yeah, around this area we have a huge short opened. Okay, now we have a bit of pullback. Okay, going back. Yeah, going back. Come on, I don't like resting here in the middle. Either we break or going down. I don't like it here in the middle, I don't like it. We have to retest this area, then going higher. Okay, $1.63, good. $1.62, really good. $1.59. $1.60. 58. Okay, we have to have a pullback now. 56, 57. Okay, where's the pullback? 56. Oh man, where's the pullback? This is really crazy what happened now. We need a pullback now. 57. Because if we have this red candle close like this means this is a fake out, you know, and the short seller actually will dump this stock down even further down. We have to have a wick now. We have to have a wick. $1.57. 57. Okay, the market's still not reacting. This means this price is not premium enough to have interest for the investor to buy at this level. $1.57 is still below the $1.58. Let me just lower this here then. $1.55, we're gonna see a breakout again. Yeah, if we broke the $1.55, I don't like it. Now we should have a hold up. Now we should, oh man, we broke it. So now is really weak. Now is really weak. Okay. This is good. In a 5 minute, it's good. We have a bit of pullback. Really dicey. Huge pullback down. BBBY is still holding above the $1.78. SRNE is about to pump. SRNE. Okay, SRNE looking good. SRNE looking good for another pump. SRNE looking really interesting. If we broke this level, 26, we're gonna have a huge pump until here, 30 cents. What's gonna be? AXLA hit our scan. It's going down. I don't like it. It's going down after we got rejected around the 92. Huge short open. So we're going toward the 51 now. SRNE is about to pump. SRNE looking good. SRNE looking good for a pump. Let me just put alert here for a potential confirmation for a pump. Okay. We should have a pump right now to break this level. Let's see if we hold this current support around the 24.55, and then we have a break toward the 30. Let me just check how much we can do from here. 16%. And bio not looking good. As long as we hold the $1.45, there's a potential to break the $2, but now is risky. Now is kind of risky for this trade now. Yeah, SRNE is pumping. SRNE is pumping. It's testing our squeeze area actually. It's testing. Just testing. Are we gonna have a breakout? Let's see. SRNE. Okay, still testing. You know what I'm gonna do? Okay, perfect. We have a breakout. This one happened in after hours. So this price action was after hours. Okay, what's gonna be? We need a break, 30 cents. 30 cents is our target. 24.55. 24.25 is our current support. $26.66. Okay, SRNE is pumping. SRNE is pumping 27 cents. Okay, SRNE, let's see. This is the only one who actually tried to test the squeeze area. The other one that didn't. So SRNE looking good. SRNE breakout. SRNE, if we're gonna have, let me just check. Yeah, breakout. We have a breakout 27.10. Let's see, hold up above the 26. Let's see a continuation now. We need to have a huge green candle. Huge, not a red candle. Now is a weakness a bit. Let me go in smaller picture. Yeah, we're still holding. We need the continuation. Okay, so this stock is need a bit of time to break. It's not like AMC when it break. So we have a different scenario. So this one we have to be patient. Okay, 27.19. Next pump, we need to have a huge pump until the 28. Let's see the 28 now. SRNE toward the 30 cents for today. First profit taken should be the 30. There's other profit taken, of course, but we have to hit this first. 27.25. 27.31. 27.37. $27.50. Where's the 28? I need my 28 cents. Yes, 28. Now for the 30. Come on, we need 30 cents. Then we're gonna call our 50 cents, and he gonna make our like some songs. Okay, if we hit the 50 cents, we're gonna put some music for 50 cents. Now it's 30 cents. We need 30 cents. If we hit 50 cents today, we're gonna put music of 50 cents. The rubbers. You know the rubber? 50 cents. We're gonna put some music. 50 cents. Now is the target is 30 cents. If we went toward the 30 cents straightforward is really good. 28.15. 28.17. Let's go. Let's go. 28.40. Okay, looking good. 28.60. Okay, SRNE is squeezing, but just 10%. Oh man, we need more. This is not squeeze. SRNE is yesterday did 50%. Let's go 30 cents for the 30 cents first profit taken. Now is 28.43. 28.43. Patience is a key, guys. Patience is a key. 28, we might see a pullback now before the 30 cents. We might see a pullback. Yeah, pullback. It's normal. A lot of people will take profit. I really hate it when this happens, you know. In midway, we're gonna have a pullback. This is the trick. When a stock pump like this and we have a mini pullback, a lot of people take profit and don't let the price actually go toward the profit taking. And they get scared to lose profit. And they get exit, price go down to refuel, then go up again. This is always happen. It's always happen. Sometimes we have an easier trade, you know, like the price goes straight forward toward the profit taking without a pullback. Boom, hit the profit taking. But sometimes the price go in the middle, and guess what? It go back down. And you know what? You take like little profit, 5% or 3%. Then the price go up, and you be really angry at yourself because you didn't stay and respect your strategy, and you don't take the full profit. You see? So now it's still bumping. It's good, but still we're not there yet. Still not there yet. We need to hit this. Yeah, 28.88. We need to hit the 30 cents. We need to hit the 30 cent. 28.88. Come on, where's the 30 cent? We are still below it. We need another pump without a rejection. I don't see a rejection now. There is no point of rejection now. There's no point. You see, in the middle, we're still in the middle. Yeah, we're still in the middle. Yeah. This is it. That's why a lot of retail traders never gain money, because they take their profit early and they never cut their loser faster, you know, because it's psychological. We effect, we don't want to lose money. $28.75. We need to have the 29 now. We have to have the 29 without any rejection to go toward the 30 cent. And I think the short have a different game. Okay, we might see a pullback now. A pullback. Is this a real pullback? You see, this always happen, man. In the middle, we have red candle forming, make people afraid, price go down, then gonna go up higher again. This is always happen. Yeah, usually we get some stocks actually go down and sell off. Yeah, this is not very, not a lot of time happen, but most often the stock get like this, two red candle, make people scared, sold here, and then continue to go higher. This is always happen. Let's see. Are we gonna have the same reaction? A bit of hold up, then a continuation. Okay. The 30 cent is still the target. Let's see how much we can make from here. Yeah, another 5%. Another 5%. Yeah, we saw the 29. Now 29 once again. Come on, where's the 30? We need to break the 29 and go toward the 30 cent. This is it. Where's the bulls? 29.07. Where's the bulls? This is SRNE. .02, 29.02. 29.20. Come on, the 30 cent. I can see it. 30 cent. Don't keep me waiting. Don't keep Jesus waiting. Okay, I will pour my holy water, of course. Now we're gonna go the 30 cent because I poured my holy water. Now we're gonna see the 30 cent. I forgot this. $29.30. $49. Okay, 70. $29.70. 30 cents. Come on. Come on. Where's the 30 cents? I'm not leaving the chart until we see the 30 cents. Yeah, 29.70. Come on, where's the balls? Come on. 30 cents. Don't tell me we're gonna get rejected just by a few cents. Okay, great. We didn't have any 5-minute pullback. This is good. Now we're gonna hit the 30 cent. Yeah. Now we're gonna hit the 30. Yeah. Now we're gonna hit the 30. 29.80. Welcome everybody. Yeah. We got kind of rejected now below just the 30 cent, around the 29.77. Oh brother. I know. This is even kind of making me frustrated, but this has always happened. We got rejected around the 29.79. Yeah, we just off a few cents around this area. Now we got a huge 1 minute red candle, but in the 5 minute we're still holding. This is the first 5 minute candle pullback below just our profit taking. So what's the game plan now? Now we have a bit of selling pressure because we're getting near the profit taking. This is normal. This is really normal. So now we need to hold the 26 to confirm the strength for the charts, breaking the 30 and continue toward the 36. So SRNE looking still really good. Ibio is still holding the support. BBBY is still holding the support, but it look ugly. We got rejected below the $2. And so what's the game plan for this one? Of course, we have a reversal again. Now you see what's gonna happen. We're gonna test the 30 and break it. Break it like a glass. This time, because we have a pullback before the resistance, is mean we're gonna break this resistance as a glass. This one will be like a glass, not a wall, hopefully. Because if a wall is mean it can't be broken, and we have a bounce like a ball, and the price will go down. But now we're gonna break it like a glass. You see this huge green candle? We're gonna break this level and continue to go higher without any tests. This will be the best case scenario and reaction for SRNE. SRNE will make us money today. SRNE is an ATM machine today. SRNE will be an ATM machine if we broke this level. Man, I didn't see how fast the hour went. Like, we've been live almost 1 hour and a half. I didn't feel that we spent 1 hour and a half because today is really fun. You know, they said good times fly away so fast. You don't feel the time, you know, and bad times you feel them really going slow. So this is kind of the what I felt right now for our live streaming. It was exciting, you know. We watch BBBY, we watch IBO, we watch right now SRNE, which is pumping and reacting and have volume almost 41 million and pumping from the hour squeeze area. So we don't feel the time because the time was exciting, you know. It's like there's action. There's action and reaction. Of course, the action for the market, and we react from the market, and we actually make good trade right now with SRNE, as we suggested from this breakout. We spotted this breakout around the 26.67, and the price went almost 11%, and now have a struggle just below the 30 cents. So here should be a breakout zone once again. Around the 30 cents. Yeah, we might see a break now. This is it. Let's see a break. Oh man, this candle tested the 29.96, so almost the 30 cent. 29.96. Oh man, this is madness. This is madness. We tested this level, yeah, just below the 30 cent. Now we're gonna break the 30 cent. Now we're gonna break the 30 cent. Oh man, this is really interesting. We might see a break. Yeah, we might see a break now. 29.69, 29.68, 29.84. We need the 30 cents. We need the 30 cents to break. Interesting. 29.40. There's someone selling. Who's selling SRNE? Show your face. Market maker, insiders, pool market, people manipulated the market. Manipulation will never end, guys. Manipulation is always there. We don't have to complain, but we have to be strategic and trade. Even though if there's manipulation, we have to have a strategy. So we don't care if there's market manipulation, because we know how to act with manipulators. It's the same scenario as for thieves and like bad people in life. You know, you don't be afraid going out from your home, afraid someone will steal from you or someone will hit you in the face. You don't be afraid of them because you know the precaution, what you should do. So if you prepare for something, you never actually be afraid. Oh man, look what's happened. We got rejected right around our profit taken and price sold off. Oh boy, this is madness. This is madness. You see what's happened here? Huge selling pressure. Whoa, man, what's happened? We tested the 29.96. As we said, the 30 cent is our profit taken and resistant area. And guess what? We tested the 29.96, just few penny, and the price went down really crazy. Look what happened right now. Look what happened. Huge selling pressure. Huge selling pressure here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. If we went down around the 26, I don't like it. It's mean a weakness. If we held right now around the 27 or the 28 here, this is good. It's mean we're gonna break the 30. So what's gonna be? Are we gonna hold above the 27.80 around this area? If we held, we're gonna have this reaction. Boom! Breaking the 30 cent. This is it. This is it. Right now we need to hold this cloud. You see it here? We're gonna test it now. We're gonna test it now. If we broke it, is mean a huge rejection confirmed and the short seller won the game here. What's it gonna be? What's gonna be? Oh man, what a rejection. What a rejection. What a rejection. This one is still holding. BBY reversing. BBY is reversing from the bottom once again. Double bottom for today. Interesting for BBY. Interesting. Okay. Huge 5-minute red candle. Huge one, man. Whoa. How much volume? Almost. Whoa. What happened here? Almost 300K. Okay, we have a bounce. We have a bounce. Look what happened here. Look what happened here. We have a green candle. We have a wick. This, oh boy, oh, what's happened here? Oh, someone bought here. Someone saw our live streaming, I think. Someone saw our live streaming. Boom. Wow, this crazy reaction. Huge selling pressure. Price bought back around this level. As we said, this is it. We should have a reversal, and price reversed. Now, you know what's happened now? We need to break at the moment the 29.99 in order to have continuation and squeeze. This is it, guys. This is it. This is it. We need to have another 1-minute candle. Boom, break this level right now. Let's go. This is it. SRNE is still in the game. SRNE is still in the game. And the pool have a different talk. You know what happened here? A huge short opened. And guess what happened here? A huge buying pressure open. And right now we're gonna offset the selling pressure on around the 30, and the short seller will run naked. I'm just saying, we'll run naked without any shorts. So the shorts will run without shorts if the price actually overcome the 30 cents. Oh boy. Oh boy, they're gonna lose a lot of money now. They're gonna lose a lot of money. You know what's happened here? You know what's happened for the stock? We have a huge short open around this gap. You see here? A huge 1-1 around the 10th of February, and the price got shorted from the 89 until the 16 cents. So they made a ton of money, and now they're still shorting. They never get enough. They're greedy. They want more. They want to short more. They want to have more. So now the price is still struggling to overcome the 30 because this stock is heavily shorted. Yes. SRNE. Oh boy. This one is looking interesting. This one is make my Friday. This stock make my Friday. I don't feel bored right now. There's excitement here. There's something going on, man. I'm seeing it right now. There's something going on. 29. Are we gonna have the short running around naked on New York in the stock exchange? Are we gonna see them naked on Friday? I don't want to see them naked. I don't want to see them naked. This is not good scene. However, this is just a figure of speech, okay? I don't want to see anybody running naked anywhere, okay? Anyway, you just know what I mean. So for SRNE, 29 cents, reverse from our bottom for a break for the 30 cent. This time, is it or not? This is it or not, because I can see it, man. This is have to be it. This is have to be it. We don't want to have here is not. There's no consolidation here. No consolidation here. Here is game like we have a battle here. It's a battlefield. Imagine that we have a big like I don't know, like soldier here. Okay, we have two front here. The short. Let me just put this here. So we have many people actually with guns. Those are the short. They are here. And let's say giant, because they have a lot of position shorting this stock. And here we have a huge buying pressure from buyers. So we have many people buying as well. That's why the price is actually not going up or down and still stagnating. So the game plan right now, the people who have position around the 29, which is the short seller, have a lot of guns and I don't know, rocks, whatever, and they are shorting the stock from above. And here we have big buyers from below around the 26. So the game plan, the buyers here bought around this area and the price bounced. But now the short seller have more guys. Here we have 3 and the sellers have 4 guys, okay? 4 guys actually pushing the wall from above. So just consider this. Here we have a wall and there's 4 guys, really heavy one, and pushing the price from above. And here we have 3 skinny guys and they try to push the price from above. So you see the game plan. The game plan is pushing scenario. So if we have more people pushing the price from above, game over. The price, the other people from below, they will be squashed to death. You know, they will be nothing. If the price or the people who below pushing the price up, and we have more strong people to push the price up, the price, the guys from above, they will be flying away like birds. You know, it's like because they will be lighter and they will be maybe have another level to try to push the price, or they will be gone, you know. I don't know where they will be flying away this time. So this is, you see it now from the perspective, what I see actually from the chart. I don't see the red candle and green candle, but I see battlefield actually. This is really too much fun to see, to have it in your mind. And when you see the chart, you don't need the music, you don't need anything. You don't need cocaine like what people did in 1980s because it was legal, I think. You don't need anything because you see battlefield, you see action, you see movie. And this is imagination inside my mind, guys. I don't know if you call me crazy, but this is kind of good way to have immersed imagination for anything you do. Because once you do, you have this kind of imagination, you could picture things never happened or will happen in the future, and you can anticipate what you're gonna do. So this is the game plan. You have to anticipate for something before it happened, and the more you can do that, you can actually win. It's kind of chess actually. The chess player, what's define the good chess player and the mediocre one is knowing more step than the other competitor front of him. This is it. If you know more step than the other guy in front of you, you're gonna win. This is it. And it's easy to said than done because you know how many steps in chess is kind of unlimited, man. It's so big, so big. And yeah, even for if you put it in the machine or I don't know, in computer, there's like billions of chances, like if you want to play any chess game. Really mind-boggling. Wow, man, it's still fighting. We're still fighting above this area. As we said, this is it. This is the last fight. We need to have to reversal now. Sorry guys, I'm really bad at drawing. I'm really bad at drawing. But what, nobody cares, you know? Nobody cares. If you're bad at something, you just do it. If you like drawing and you're really bad at it, just do it, you know? If you, but don't consider taking money out of it, okay? If you like something, let's say if you're a really bad musician, if you're not expecting getting money from music, trust me, you'll be really happy, even if you are a bad musician, because you don't anticipate money, you don't anticipate anybody will say, yeah, you're a good musician. You don't anticipate something from someone. This is the happiness equation, for my opinion. If you don't expect something from anybody, you have power, you have happiness, you have everything. It's the same as for money. If you don't expect to be a billionaire, or you don't want money to have a status, to buy a house or to buy a new car, or to show off people that you have a new car, and like this kind of empty stuff that people buy, you'll be free and you'll be happy actually, because you don't need something. You don't need money to buy something, but you use money as a game. Okay, so trading money, if you use it as a game or to use it to help others, this is a game changer, because your mind will be thinking differently. You're not thinking about, okay, today we make profit with SRNE 10% from 100Ks. Oh, 10,000. So what should I buy with 10,000? Oh, I can upgrade my car. I can buy a new stereo. I can buy PlayStation 5. If you did this, game over, my friend. You will never be a millionaire or billionaire, because you think how you could actually buy new stuff. I'm not like saying it's bad to buy new stuff, to I don't know, to kind of I don't know, buying like stuff for you. I'm not saying that, but don't think about profit that you did from trading and resemble it by buying new stuff, because this will make you or sabotage your trading strategy, because you think 10% is good or 10,000 is enough. 10,000 is, if you're a really good trader, is child play. There is unlimited when you be a good trader. So don't define yourself by 10%. Don't define yourself with 10,000 or 100,000, and don't think about buying a new something to make you happy. All the things that you should buy or you want to have, after 1 week, 2 weeks, it will be nothing, because it's like buying a new game, you know? You just play with it 1 week and you just throw it away, because have no meaning after that. SRNE is holding above the 27, breakout around the 29. As from our drawing, as we said, there's many people shorting here and many people buying below there. So the game plan at the moment is not defined. There's no winner now. The battle is still in between sellers and short sellers between this level. So the 30 will be a confirmation for breakout. A huge pump will happen once again. The holy water is finished, guys. Holy water is finished. I have to add some water. I can't live without water. Exactly, Sunray. I agree with you 100%, brother. Okay, SRNE is still struggling. Ibio is still holding the $1.45. Oh man, this one as well looking interesting. Ibio $1.45 for a potential reversal. BBY is still holding, and let me just check AMC very quick, and APE. AMC still holding, still holding. So let me just check if we have something going on here. Nope. So the support is still a 5, resistant here. ABE is still struggling. Tesla still holding. MULN is getting near our bottom, the 28. Let me just check the biggest gainer for today. Oh, OKU or OKUO. This one did 128% on light volume. I don't know, this one look really bad. This one look not good, man. It's kind of, you know who's trading this one? I think at 9 years old trading this stock. You know, I think the kids actually trading this stock. You see this chart is like W shape, and the kid who actually saw this chart, he said, oh, father, this good trade, can we trade it, can we buy it? And they actually took the money from his father and just bought around the 2, and the price bumped. So this kind of trade is kids trade. Even from the chart, you see what happened? IBO price went toward the $6.30, then dumped, then price hold above the $2, accumulate. Then kids have money from their fathers and mothers, and then the price bump, and then the price got rejected because the children want to buy a new PlayStation game, and the price went down. Oh man, I don't like that. This is really crazy chart. It's really funny chart. UUU 23.4%, and this one, I don't know. Okay, it's not looking good. AMCX. Okay, we have AMCX. This is kind of like the new movie of Fast X, you know, Fast and Furious. We have a new movie. So AMCX actually changed their name and the last movie of Fast and Furious. I think it's this coincidence or just a kind of funny joke. Oh man, this is crazy stock, man. AMCX is going 26%, almost 1 million worth of volume. I see. Okay, this looking expensive, but interesting because we breaking new high. We might see a continuation for IC toward the $30. So IC looking good. We got some news and earning coming up. FDA accepts new drug. We have FDA approval for new drug for IC. RSLS doing alright after the reverse split 1 to 50. So we have a new high after reverse split, 20% up. Looking interesting, brother, looking interesting. Let's see if we have a hold up this time. Short, always shorting this stock around the 18. We got this one. Okay, interesting. The stock is interesting. Today is interesting. The market is interesting today. Wow. We have almost 2 hours on our live streaming. And as we said, 2 hours run away like this, man. I didn't feel the 2 hours this time because the market is exciting. The market is fun today. It's really fun. SRNE. What's going on now? Let's go back. Still holding above our support. So there's a potential. Okay, SRNE is the only one we watch now because the only one looking interesting. Okay, SRNE is moving. SRNE is moving. Let's go in the big picture. Yeah, SRNE is moving. Okay, let's see now. 29, 30. We might see the 39.30 for a potential initiation for a squeeze around this area. 29.30. Let's see 39.30. Okay, we're still holding for the $1.45 Ibio. Oh man, this one we might see a power hour for it. If we're still holding the $1.45, we might see a power hour for it. SRNE struggling the 30 cent. As we said, the profit taking and squeeze area, 30 cent. We got 60 million worth of volume and just 11%. Yesterday we did 50% up. So there's a potential. There's a continuation for this stock. We might see a continuation, another 20%. So we might do 30% if we clear the 30 cent. But now we're still struggling or accumulating, whatever you want to define this position that SRNE is held in. It's accumulating in this flag. We have kind of flag forming. See any price go below around the 28, but back very quick. So we need to hold. Okay, it's still struggling. SRNE. We tried to break the 30 here, and we tried to break this level, and the price is still doing lower highs. Now retesting the support. This is kind of stagnating now. SRNE is stagnating. Let's see the volume gainer for today. Tesla almost every time number one, 68 million. Then DKNG 14%. What's going on? What's going on with DKNG? We got earnings. Yeah, good earnings. 14% and revenue really good 6%. We got it after hours yesterday. Yeah, that's why the price pumped at the moment. 14% DKNG, looking good, looking good. We broke the resistance around the 15. Now we got a rejection exactly around the 21. DKNG looking good for continuation after this earnings. Perfect. 27 next time. We might see the 27 profit taken. So DKNG, I should put it on the list. DKNG for the stock that we watch. Then we got AMD. AMD breaking the support. So this is bad. This is looking bad for for AMD. MULN 28 crossing the 28. Nvidia going back down. Let's see if we have some stock have potential. Palantir going down. Mara. Okay. We have Shopify. Shopify going toward the bottom. Yeah, we have to watch out Shopify as well. Microsoft down 2%. We have Google down 1% around the 93. Snapchat. I never use Snapchat. I don't know if you use Snapchat, guys. I think it's for kids, like 10 years old kids or 15. I never understand the idea of Snapchat, you know? It's like, I think it's useless compared to Instagram and the other big app like Facebook or WhatsApp, you know? I don't see any benefit of using Snap. Anyway, the price down for Snap almost 4%. So Snap's going down. So take this idea, because for Twitter is kind of the alternative for news, and for Facebook is alternative for not cell phone, but having like a family or community group in one place. So Facebook is good. We have Instagram is equivalent for like iCloud for picture and sharing picture with family and friends. We got WhatsApp is alternative for phone calls and cheap phone calls between countries. So it's really good. But if you go back and discuss Snap, what? For Snap. TikTok, we know TikTok is like videos, sharing videos and short videos is good. YouTube, of course, is alternative for movies, music, everything. YouTube, that's why it's the number one. But Snap, what? What's is famous for? What's the big thing that it solve? Like the big issue, like the other application solve. So I don't like the I don't know, like the idea of Snap, you know. That's why I never actually downloaded my phone. Palantir going down. OQ is bomb. Let me just add IC. It's looking good as well. RSLS not good. AMD is pumping. Okay, let me add this one as well. Looking interesting. AMD. OTR. I'm checking the stock that have potential for swing trade for the next week, guys. So let me just check OEC. It's a bit expensive. Okay, so we have a good list here. Pre-market. MULN is going down. MULN is going down without any test for our support. The 28. So we might see a dive until the 25 this time. 25 is the new support. 25, 55. So here, key RPX hit our scan. Okay, so MULN. We got Tesla. So Tesla is going down as well toward this first support. ABE is going down. AMC and BBBY still holding. So let me add those really important stock. Let me take Tesla, AMC, BBBY. I add those. Perfect. And go back to Ibio, still holding. SRNE, still holding. No, we broke kind of the support that we discussed before. Yeah, we broke it. But we're still holding the 2667. This is the last support. And BBY is still struggling. Press the like button and the way in, guys. We always do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET. So each time around the 3 p.m. CET, or for short, Central European Time, we go live on our channel here. So the next live we're gonna do on Tuesday, next week. So next live will be Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday should be the next live. Tuesday next live, not Monday, because we're gonna have a long weekend this next week. We're gonna have a long weekend. So next Tuesday, 3 p.m. CET, we're gonna do our live. If you came late today, just try to tune in next time a bit earlier. And don't worry, our live streaming will be posted on our on YouTube channel. And after our live streaming, as usual, we're gonna do chart analysis update for many stocks on our Discord, on our Patreon. Let me just check our Discord very quick. I don't know why it's green. I will check this. I think there's some things going on with Discord. I will check it later. But yeah. As you can see here, we did chart analysis for SRNE. For the breakout zone, we said the 24 or the 21. Yeah, around this area should be the support. Breakout zone 26, profit taken around the 30. So yeah, we did the chart analysis yesterday after we finish our live streaming. So any breakout zone, potential breakout zone, we always put it on our chart analysis here on the channel charts. If you're already with us in our Discord, just check the charts after our live streaming for potential breakout zone and squeeze area for many stocks, and on our Patreon as well. Stay tuned for this update because we got Ibio still holding. We might see a breakout from the 2, and SRNE still holding and pumping right now around the 29. So we might see a break for this one around this area in power hour if we're still accumulating here. We'll watch and see what's gonna happen for this stock because it's really pretty volatile. We already pumped from here 5%. Let's say HKD. Yeah, HKD is down still. AI, yeah, it's pumping from the 2280. Yeah, AI pumped from the bottom. Let's adjust the bottom once again for AI. So this is the bottom, we should hold and put it here a resistant. Wow, BBY, there's a potential break for the support. KPRX, oh man, it's pumping. I forget KPRX. Oh man, we got alert but we didn't check it. KPRX 10%. Yeah, KPRX is pumping. We got alert but we didn't check it in time. Yeah, KPRX is pumping. Let's see from this pump. Yeah, 4%. Is dicey here, is really a bit dicey. So we have a support, a resistance. Yeah, that's why we didn't have a pump, because we getting near a rejection zone around the $6.20. It's kind of interesting and risky. And the volume is just 88K. It's really light. So it's easy manipulated now. We might see a break and a fake out. I don't like it. The profit taken if we actually pumped until the $10. Let me just check how much we can do. Wow, 60%. So before we forget, let us put $6.21 as a test, and another alert around the $5.60. We have to be always ready. $5.60. Okay. Still watching SRNE for a breakout around the 30 cent. KPRX is still pumping, $6.14. For the test around the $6.20. Volume still light. Ibio is about to break this last bottom, which give us a huge sell-off toward this kind of support. I will watch the $1.25. I don't like it. If we broke this area, we'll have a huge time to break the $2 because the $2 is a squeeze. It's already up 94%. So a lot of people taking profit before the long weekend for this stock. So this is normal. We might see a break right now around the $1.25. Let's see how much this breakdown will be. Yeah, another 13%. Yeah, Abe doesn't have any volume for today. Even yesterday, we didn't have enough volume to break any level. You see, we have a stagnation for Abe. Stagnation. Stagnation, but the stagnation up. You see, we have accumulation up. The price is crawling up a bit by bit, you see. So this is good. Crawling like this is good. It's not crawling down, you see. So we still have momentum up. But the thing that I don't like is we're still below this resistance. We should break it. KPRX is doing right. Getting near this breakout. $6.22. Whoa, I think we broke. Yeah, the volume is picking up. It was 80K, now 140K. So the volume is picking up. Good sign, good fatal sign for KPRX. Ibio breaking. Yeah, Ibio is breaking. $1.25 for a reversal. We might see a reversal here for Ibio. Boom. Yeah, guys, Monday is off. Monday is off. Let me just show you. Yeah, Monday is off. 2023, Monday, January, Monday, February. We have February, April. Yeah, February 20 is Washington birthday, President Day. Okay, Washington birthday, guys. Happy birthday, everybody in America. Happy birthday. Happy Washington birthday day. Okay, so next one is in April. So March we don't have any holidays, just in April. So Good Friday in April. But next Monday is Washington birthday, President Day. Happy birthday, everybody in America. Our friends from America, brothers and sisters. Okay, we got some people said VLON on the move. Let's check it. 15%. Let's check KPRX. Yeah, KPRX on the move. VLON on the move as well. We have a bounce from the bottom, the 60 cent. There's something about to happen for VLON. 2 million worth of volume going toward the $1. So the $1 should be a breakout zone for VLON. KPRX is pumping. KPRX is pumping. Yeah, $6.25. Looking interesting play. But the volume is really light on this one, so it's really risky. You see the volume in the smaller picture is still barcoding. Still barcoding. VLON, we have a test for the $1. Any price below the $1, I'm not convinced yet. It's still weak. Still weak for VLON, even though we are up 15% and the volume is nearing the 2 million, but we still below this level, the $1. KPRX is doing really good, $6.27, still pumping 14%, and SRNE is still stagnating between the 29 and the 26. KPRX, where we gonna go for KPRX? This is the most important question you might ask. Let's see, the $6.86 should be the first level to test. How much we can do from here? Another 8%. And the level that we have to hold in this current condition of the market, yeah, VLN a bit rejection. KPRX is still holding the $6.27. SRNE start to bump once again. SRNE, are we ready? Are we ready now? Oh man, will be interesting. Yeah, we have a flag, a breakout from this flag. There's a potential squeeze now. Now or never. Now or never. We have a potential squeeze. The 30, man, the 30 is still struggling. Oh man, KPRX is still pumping. Still pumping, 29, $6.29. Okay, interesting. Why should I eat an apple for Washington? Why is that? Really interesting. $29. Whoa, 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 whoa. SRNE, SRNE. SRNE is about to break. We have a break from this flag. What's gonna be? That's why Meta Sweep just went from SRNE to VLON. That's why SRNE is going down and VLON is going up. I think Meta Sweep is the biggest short sellers in the market. Watch out, guys! We have a short sellers. We have short seller in our live chat here. That's why SRNE is struggling. That's why SRNE is struggling, because Meta Sweep is not in it. He's already sold. KPRX. I like this trade, but it's light on volume, guys. I like this trade, but the volume is really light. But we know that sometimes, even on light volume, we could actually have stocks that pump almost 100% and beyond. So volume is not a good indicator for a stock would go up or down. However, it's really hard to manage your risk, because those kind of stock, when it go down, they gap down. It's like there is no any price action to give us an indication for weakness. So have more risk. That's why I don't like it. Okay, SRNE looking good. SRNE looking interesting for a break for the 30 cent, because we broke this flag. interesting. SRNE looking really interesting. Julian, good question. Are we gonna have the 30? We might see it right now, the 30 cents. This is it, man. If we got rejected now, I don't like it. Because we have a breakout here. Everything actually support the breakout. Everything support the breakout. The volume is right. The bounce from the bottom is right. The breaking from this flag is right. So if we got rejected now, I don't like it. This means it's not ready. This SRNE will pump in power hour or next week, but not today. But now we have to break. We need to break the 30. KPRX is just frozen around the $6.29. SRNE is around the 29. Let's check CVNA. Oh man. Okay, SRNE is about to break. But this one is still holding our ascending line, so it's good. CVNA is still holding the support. Okay, SRNE is about to break. SRNE is about to break right now, the 30 cent. Yes, it's about to break 29.58. It's decisive moment for SRNE to break now. It's a decisive moment. Are we gonna have the breakout now or a sell-off? Looking good on the 5 minutes. Yeah, KPRX is going down a bit. And SRNE going down a bit. But bought back very quick. I don't have any holy water, guys. Sorry. If I have holy water, we could actually break the 30 cents. But my holy water is finished now. Okay, we're going down. Oh boy. We're going down. AMCX is going 26% up. AMCX is going 26% up. Crypto market is sideways, still in sideways. You see what happened here? We have a sideways trading. Ethereum classic sideways trading. Ethereum sideways trading. Bitcoin, Bitcoin have a huge pump. So Bitcoin is the mover, guys. We have the 25. The 25 is the psychological level. We have a test and rejection. Now it's 24. Matic is the biggest gainer on our list. Matic is good, looking really, really good. We break out from the $1.30, going toward the $1.70. But the market is still stagnating. The market is still stagnating for crypto market. We're gonna do a video for crypto market update. Bomb SRNE 2885 is about to break, still holding. KPRX, you see what's happened? You see what happened? A pullback, a huge pullback. I don't like it. It's SRNE going down a bit. Okay, what's going on? Interesting. So Washington, the American president, have a famous story about chopping down an apple tree. Interesting. Thank you for sharing this story about your country. I'm always intrigued about this kind of things, you know? Always curious about history. Because history always it's good to go back in time to learn from some culture or some time frame, because time kind of repeats itself, like what happened for a plague or even COVID. It happened before, you know, it happened before, and we could actually learn from those times how they react and what's the aspect of the psychological aspect, financial wise, psychological wise, everything. You can actually learn from those back events and prevent from a meltdown or from preparation. You can actually prepare what's gonna happen in the near future. So this is a good way to prevent panicking when something unusual happens, like COVID. A lot of people panicking. They think is the end of the world, but it happened before. It happened before and will happen once again. I cannot tell a lie. Interesting. BZFD, KPRX, SRNE. Okay, we got alert for BZFD. Got shorted, of course, got shorted. We didn't hold the $1.88. Bad, brother, this is bad. Take it from the list here. I'm still watching KPRX. So we got rejected there. Potential break here. Okay, I'll take it from the list now and watch SRNE instead and watch Ibio. So SRNE is still struggling, but looking good. The only stock is looking good for another pump is SRNE. The rest is got shorted. We have accumulation. We spotted accumulation here for SRNE, and we got a pump from this flag, so we're still holding above this pump, so this is good. We had a huge wick, so someone bought this dip, looking interesting for SRNE. There's something, there's history, there's a story behind everything going on. We have to decipher everything. Each candle have a story, and the accumulation of candle give us more confirmation for the trend. Because if we have just one candle, like this green candle, imagine we have just one candle, we could actually draw some data or information from it. But if we have a collection of candles, we could draw some history, we could draw some events or like information from it. It's kind of like this. You can draw it from anything in life, because if I told you one question like where are you going, but I didn't finish my sentence, I didn't say where are you going tomorrow, or where are you going to watch the football or NFT or NFL next week. So I don't give you the full picture, because I don't give you the full question. Each question should be set with time, place, event, so you could retrieve or retract some answer back. But if you answer someone where are you going to, and you don't actually finish the sentence, nobody understands what you want or what your question is all about. The same as for the chart. If you just take a small part of the chart, we never could actually draw any information from it. We should see the big picture. The more picture we have, the more data we have, the more kind of result or information we could actually draw from this kind of data. Now SRNE have potential to jump. Yes, have potential to jump right now. SRNE looking interesting. Let me just put this here. Let me just calculate 2%. Risk management, risk calculation. This is all it is. Always calculate before you enter how much you're willing to risk and how much you're willing to gain, to make it simpler for you to take decision when you put money on the table. Because if you never put this kind of decision beforehand, trust me, it's really hard to take decision when the price go down like this. You see, it's really hard, because you adjust the stop loss to make it lower so you never be stopped out, or if the price go up, you just take your profit early because you don't want to lose the profit that you gain, or you want to offset if you lost some trade before, you want to offset the loss. So you take profit just to offset the loss. Let's say you lost the trade before 1,000, and the gain that you gain from SRNE 1,000. You close the trade because you offset the other loss. You see, because you don't have a strategy when you enter a trade. To prevent that, you have to prepare everything before you enter. And we already discussed this on our Patreon and Discord. We already did the video on how to do that. It's pretty simple to have a strategy. But many traders get hyped up and FOMO when the price go up. They jump in without any strategy. Let's go. Let's load up. Load the boat. And then when they get in, the price go down because they got in a bit late around the resistance. Now is pumping. SRNE looking good. Now is SRNE looking good. Okay, 2960. $29.60. What's gonna be? $29.67. This is it. This is it. We have to have a squeeze now. Okay, we're squeezing. SRNE is squeezing. 30, yeah, 30 cents. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 30 cent, 30 cent, 30 cent. Yes, we broke, finally. Let's go. Let's have a continuation now. This is just the beginning. We don't want to any pullback. It's mean a fake out. We need to hold. 30 cent, we need to hold the 30 cent and continue to go higher. SRNE is pumping. SRNE is pumping. Let's see another continuation for SRNE. Okay, what's gonna be? What's gonna be? A huge pump is wait to be happen right now. Huge short. Let's see. Continuation. SRNE is pumping. SRNE is pumping. Let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. 3070, 3070. This is just the beginning. SRNE is pumping. Okay, 3088. SRNE is pumping officially. Okay, guys, we're gonna do short analysis update for SRNE for potential profit taking. And of course, stay tuned for this update on our Discord and Patreon. And we're gonna do update for other stock that have potential to squeeze. We might have a squeeze for AMC or APE, so stay tuned for that. And we're gonna do a video special on Sunday for the stock that we're gonna hunt on the next week on Tuesday, because Monday will be closed for Washington birthday. So happy birthday for all the Americans who live in America. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next update. And of course, before we finish our live streaming, here is our let me just put my email, because a lot of you have a question how to join our Patreon and Discord. So here, my business email, trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. Okay, this is really important to know. They'll never reply on any comment in comment section below on our YouTube channel, because there's a lot of spammers that pretend that's me. The only way to find out is not me is there's no highlight for the spammer. Spammer have Trading Jesus without highlight. For us, you see here the highlight in yellow. In the comment section will be in white. Anyway, so never reply in any spammer. The only way to reply or ask any question is with our business email, trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, and happy holiday and happy birthday for all American for Washington Day on Monday, and see you on the Sunday or even Monday. We might do the video on Monday, yeah, and 8 p.m. CET for update for Tuesday play for a lot of stock that have potential to squeeze. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.